Today, you already know where we are. We at Lake Street, baby. We're about to hit a fishing spot, and it's in the middle of the biggest rain the Twin Cities has gotten in like 2 months. So it's about to go crazy, guys. Stay tuned. Monster fish coming. We've already gotten soaked, as you can see, like look at my pants. Just right in here. The back are not that bad, but the front, that's just water. I don't have Gore-Tex, bro. Guys, subscribe and we can afford Gore-Tex. Right now we're just waiting for the train to pull up. We're gonna hop on, go down to the biggest mall in the country, the Mall of America, and we're going to fish in the river bottoms below it. Stay tuned, stay hyped. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, we made it to the spot. We got a little above area, a little area. Ray's got a little couple worms out there right now. I'm getting my setup. And we're gonna try for some carp, for some bowfin, you know. We'll see what happens. Here he comes back.
My night crawler was just sitting in the creek, and I was just sight fishing him. I literally just let my thing sit. This guy came and picked it up with the jig, bro. Just a jig sitting there. I just waited for him to come. I'll hold it up so you can get a better look. The creek is so clear. There's like hundreds of fish down there, and you just kind of see them come in. So there's the first one. I'd say maybe 3 pounds.
Throw him down that way. Dude. Throw him down there. All right, now we're gonna get one on camera. Walking down this creek. It's so full, and you can just see the carp down there. Where are they, Ray?
Alright guys, we're gonna try and sneak back up on them and get a nice one on camera. I was fishing that swim right there, where it kind of goes straight down, like after this turn, and they were stacked up in there.
What's that down there?
But I'm gonna leave this bright orange backpack. Because carp, like, they see everything.
They're good.
They see night crawlers. So you gotta be as still as possible, so we don't spook them, but I can already see from here.
You see him down there?
Oh my goodness. Bro, I didn't even see this guy. Look at this. I was just chilling on my finger. Comment down below if you know what kind of bug that is.
It's a box elder bug.
Is it really?
Yeah.
See guys, that's why we have a bug expert on Raisner program. Because what would we do without him? It's pretty cool.
They get into houses.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Guess that's not the best thing. Alright, so there's a ton of, oh, they're starting to move back in. The carp, bro. Alright. So we're just gonna put a night crawler. Carp prefer the reddest night crawlers. Basically, just a ball of night crawlers like that. Sometimes I even wash it off before I cast it in, because having that dirt kind of splash in the water can like sometimes trigger those bugs freaking out. Now you just gotta look at a group of fish. There's about 50 fish just chilling with their snouts upstream. You can almost see kind of like the little bit of changes in the wake. Where they're just sitting there. I'm trying to sneak up. Don't do that. Come on, why put that here? I'm gonna cast right into the middle of that pool. Oh, underneath guys. Right kind of above where their snouts are. Just sitting. Perfect. Now we wait. Instant, guys. Did you see that? That was crazy.
That was crazy.
Instantly, he picked it up. Holy moly, he's taking me downstream. Holy mackerel. He's like in the spot where the current is almost taking him down. I'm trying to keep him up out of there. Yeah. Oh no, he's right there on the log. This is not good, guys.
Get down there. Get down there.
Look at him, he's wrapped around the log. He's so nervous. Absolutely.
Holy crap.
The line is completely wrapped around this log. Oh, there we go. I got it. Hopefully we can get this guy and get him out. There's just so many trees. There's so much current.
That current is just taking him. He's not even fighting it.
I mean, he's fighting, but like, I can't get him to the point where it's only if I get him over here. Oh my god. Oh, there's another nice fish. It's just nice to see him unhooked. And yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there's so many just sitting in there. We might just move them out actually. What's this guy going here? There he goes.
Back to meet his friends.
Alright guys, now we're gonna go get some grub. Because we're freezing. Well, we aren't freezing cold, but we're wet.
Pretty cold. Oh,
Look at him, he's just chilling.
good.
Holy. Bro.